Wake up, because the world doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care how tired you are, how many times you failed, or how unfair life's been. It only responds to one thing: your mindset. Success doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your mind. It starts with that voice that says, "I'm not done yet." That voice that refuses to stay down when everything's falling apart. You see, most people want success, but only a few are willing to think like success. Most people want the reward, but not the grind. They want the spotlight, but not the shadows. They want the victory, but not the war. You want to win? Then you have to train your mind to see beyond the pain, to keep pushing when your body screams stop, to stay calm when the world doubts you. Because success doesn't come to the strongest. It comes to the one who refuses to break. You've got to build a mindset so strong that failure doesn't destroy you. It fuels you. That rejection doesn't stop you. It sharpens you. That fear doesn't freeze you. It focuses you. Every champion was once broken. Every winner was once a nobody. The difference? They didn't quit when it hurt. They didn't stop when it got hard. They decided that no matter what, they would rise. You have to talk to yourself like your life depends on it, because it does. You have to feed your mind strength when everything feels weak. You have to remind yourself, I'm built for this. I'm made for this. I will not surrender. You want a successful life? Then think like a warrior, act like a warrior, live like a warrior. When you fall, rise faster. When you fail, learn deeper. When they doubt, believe harder. Because mindset is everything. And once your mind is unbreakable, the world can't stop you. So build it, protect it, own it. Because success doesn't belong to the lucky. It belongs to the relentless. And you were born to be relentless.